90 seconds of editing episode 1. Today I will show you how I edit my photos using graduated filter in Lightroom. So if you're new here, consider subscribe because I'll be making more video like this and you don't want to miss out. And if you have any question to ask, drop a comment. I'll try my best to answer. So let's do it. This is a photo from a recent wedding that I did. First, I apply a preset. I'm using Get Make and Talk preset from Develop. Then click the graduated filter or press M on keyboard. So here's I'm gonna change the color to be more warm and underexpose a bit. Then click new if you want to make another new graduated filter. I want to drop some shadow exposure here because I think the white pavement quite distracting. It is okay if the gradient hit your subject. You can remove the affected area by clicking brush. Press Alt on keyboard and see the plus sign changes to minus sign. Then brush on subject like so. Done. Oh, I think the left side of the photo should be more darker. Let's add some blue tone to make the color more green leaf darker. Maybe some here. Perfect. All done now, but we got few time left, so it's time for... So here's another photo from the same wedding. Apply presets. Some minor adjustment. Click the graded filter and just drag across the screen like so. Click new and do the same to other side. I adjust the color temperature by adding some blue to the filter. The leaf here quite distracting, so I want to tone it down a bit. Maybe some shadow here, but without changing the color. Brush affected. You can brush the affected area by clicking brush, press and hold Alt button while brushing. Done. So here's before and after. What do you think?